Obviously, guys, I'm in school. Stretching ko kay. I'm gonna run all over the building, senior high school building. Lamig ay daganan. Instead that I do this, instead that I run in the highway, so I'd rather do it here in the senior high school building. In that case, it's safer. I'm safer. Highway is a very dangerous place. Where have you been? My daughter is with me. Say hello.
Where's it from?
Yeah, sure. Why? Don't go far. Okay? Just in front of the building. Pila ka rounds ako makaya karon. So I run in this building I start from in my room here in the second floor, then going up to the third floor, then down to the ground floor, and then end to end. So yesterday I had 3 rounds non-stop. So I'll try to make it for this time 4 rounds non-stop. Pero okay, siguro mag-stop kami yun. We need cardio, guys. Kaya di mo ko ka-afford og treadmill. Treadmill sa tawag anak. So ano na lang. I think this is better. Diba? Okay. So I think I'm good to go now. So I'll start running. I can't manage to take video anymore.